Okay, so we're hiking a volcano tomorrow. Let's see what we got here. The company provides a sleeping bag, a cabin, most of the food except for snacks. So I need to carry snacks, clothes, and water. Okay, I'm hiking Acatenango tomorrow from Antigua, Guatemala, and this is what I'm bringing. I've got a spare wicking t-shirt, a base layer, long sleeve, warm merino wool shirt, outer layer long sleeve that's pretty light. I got a raincoat here, and I got my inner shell of my winter coat. This is really warm, and coupled with the raincoat over top of it, this is like hot. I got more short socks and really warm long socks. I got outer layer pants and base layer pants. These are also merino wool and they're very hot. I got Glittens, a sleeping bag liner, hand warmers, body warmer, feet warmer, headlamp. Mandy's in there working on my water supply.
How do you feel?
Curious, I guess.
About what?
If I should swap out my eyeballs, then I could have a clear view. Honest.
Have good hiking.
Thank you. Have fun with your little dog.
Thank.
Per usual, I've added several last minute things to my pack. What I showed you guys earlier is not everything that I've brought because I kept remembering a bunch of things that I wanted to bring. I'm realizing right now that I forgot a phone charger, but I don't think that there's electricity in the cabin anyways, so it would be useless. I gotta go meet with all of the people that I'm hiking with. I think I'm early, but Doug was inside the van, so it was an opportunity to escape. Okay, we just got to the trailhead. It's like 20 past 9. I think we're a little late, but let's start this hike.
I wonder if we'll get above tree line.
I was just gonna ask that. You guys don't know?
I'm not sure.
If we get above the tree line?
I'm thinking about it. In Peru, it's like, tree line's like, it's pretty high. It's like 3,500 meters.
This is our last stop before lunch. But I ate my lunch. I didn't know.
Oh, you ate your lunch?
I ate my lunch here.
Oh no.
It's fine, I was hungry.
Oh, okay. I think they sell like
I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but we're stopping for lunch right now for like 45 minutes, and then it's Guatemala flat from here on to the base camp. It's gonna be really windy though, because I think we're about at the tree line. There's some brush up there, but it's gonna be loud from here on out, I think.
So Rob has started his climb up Acatenango. He sent me a message and said they were at the trailhead. Loki and I have just been having a chill morning. We enjoyed our coffee leisurely. Watched a little bit of a movie. Now we're just out for a nice walk around the gardens. I guess we're just gonna lay here and get scratched all day. You can find the right spot. That's it, huh, buddy? Good boy. One thing I love about this city is the remnants of all the old buildings. You can just tell there's a whole history here. This is the Santa Catalina Arch with the Volcán de Agua in the background. I just got back from a quick trip out by myself to look around some shops and get some lunch. Let's go see how Loki's doing. I forgot to hit record, but here he is, nice and well. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Did you destroy anything? No? Hi.
We made it. These are the cabins. Okay. There's two there. This is like a community cafeteria type vibe, and then there's like three other cabins on the other side. Fuego's in this vicinity. But you've got to wait until the clouds blow away, which happens without warning, and then they come back very shortly thereafter. But I think it just exploded, like right when we got up here. I couldn't see anything because the top was in clouds, but we could hear a loud boom.
Now, take a rest, unpack all the food. When you guys go into the cabins, please check your shoes before to go in. Also, your shoes put inside the cabin because we have some puppies around the campsite. Also, the stray dogs live in this mountain. So if you leave your shoes outside, their dogs take your shoes and it's hard to find.
We're heading to Fuego. It's over there. There's no view, but at least it's windy. Get it. Get it. Look at that view, you guys. Amazing. Wow. Hey, Sean. We got Oreos. Oh, my face is covered with dirt. We're just getting sandblasted up here. But, these are the second best Oreos I've ever had. doggy hiked with us last night and played with rocks the whole time. We hiked to that ridge right there and watched eruptions right there. But we couldn't really see them because it was all clouds in this whole area. Somewhere up there is another summit that we did this morning to watch the sunrise. Over there. But I hardly recorded any video because it was way too cold and windy.
Happy Thursday! Loki and I are going out. We have to go to the ATM and go meet Rob so he can pay for the remainder of his hike, and we'll see how he did. Rob's up here. You gonna go see Rob? Let's go see Rob. Come on. Let's go. Who's this way? Come on. We're gonna go get Rob. Do you need a cookie? I have to bribe him. I had to bribe him to get him here. We just got back to the van. Look at this disaster. So Rob made it this far.
I'm showering.
Do you recommend doing the hike?
I don't know yet.
Did you have fun?
Sort of. It was really hard though. Like, it starts off very steep and then it just gets more steep as you go along. At the last bit, like right before base camp, there's like a flat section. But then when you have to wake up at like 4 in the morning and start hiking, like that's the steepest section, is the last like 600 meters. And it was just like really taxing.
Are you glad you did it?
I don't know.
Are you glad Dog and I didn't go?
Yeah, you would have absolutely hated it.
I knew it. Are you gonna take a nap now? Are you hungry?
I don't know. I need a shower before I do anything else.
Okay, bye.